Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
He is the one.
And as always, super humbled for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening, and every able pair of hands who becomes a friend of mine by clicking the like button and leaving a comment. Help the Milestone Mafia lean on that algorithm, and let's get this out there, y'all.
Performing a civic duty we should all take part in? We know you do the right thing.
And today, we have an incredibly special edition of Spin the Block, Got 'em Tardy, because we are celebrating an awesome milestone. We have crossed 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 members of the Milestone Mafia.
We did it, Joan.
And I can't tell you how much I am elated and so grateful for all of the support that I've been getting. Y'all have been showing so much love. I get the comments, I get the DMs, the text messages, everything. And trust me, it means the world to me. When I started this page, it wasn't about ad revenue or anything like that. This is literally just a passion project for me. It's about getting a creative outlet, just providing some dope content. And the fact that y'all are really rocking with me, can't express enough from the bottom of my soul how much I'm grateful for that. So thank you so much.
You the real MVP.
Now, as promised, when we cross 1,000, that we're gonna do a special Spin the Block edition of Got 'em Tardy. And yeah, it is super special. Today, we're gonna go over a sneaker that is a grail to some. I mean, probably the most. And when it came in the mail...
Mr. Burgundy, you have a massive erection.
It's actually an optical illusion. It's the pattern on the pants.
We're talking about what I would call a sneakerhead sneaker. Yes, none other than the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97 / Air Max 1. Now, why do I call this a sneakerhead sneaker? Back in 2018, when it was released, they gave us the backstory. So Nike did a competition where they invited a handful of sneakerhead designers to design something fresh, design something new, something that they would give to the community, and the winner would actually get their sneaker made. And when it did, the sneaker world went crazy for them. It's obviously the winner because this pair is magnificently dope. I didn't get them on release, and after the release, the resale value on that was... Bang! Shoot! I'm going to the moon! It was out there, but you know what? I definitely, took a really deep breath, pulled the trigger, and we got them in house. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Let's take a closer look at them. And of course, as we do, let's get into another episode of Got 'em Tardy.
You're late.
A wizard is never late. He arrives precisely when he means to.
And of course, we start with the box, which presentation is gonna get me in the door every single time. The Nike swoosh and logo is in the style of the actual sneaker. Definitely a nice choice. Box reads Air Max 1 / 97 VFSW, official colorway, light blue fury, lemon wash. On the inside of the lid, we have more air. And right here it tells the story. Pretty dope wrapping paper. And boom. And here you have them. The Sean Wotherspoon Air Maxes are in the house. And I mean, y'all, first impressions out the box.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Yeah, this thing is so special. Y'all, let's go ahead and get into them. Okay, first off, first thing you notice, other than the dope colorway design, you can see that the materials are all corduroy. It just gives it this real cool vintage look. That's just something unlike we've ever seen on any Air Max. Main color is that yellow, going into some of that dark purple with lighter pink, really nice ocean sky blue with a darker royal purple into this green that's really dope, and this brown with the same yellow Nike check. Check that small little Nike check right there. Top down, we have a tongue tag with a wave on it, which Sean said is inspired by the waves of California. Cool thing about it though, it's actually a Velcro sticker, which reveals a Nike check. On the other, we have a Nike check, same Velcro. 3 extra set of laces, 1 gold aglet, 1 silver. On the back, we have VA to LA, signifying Sean's journey from Virginia, where he's from, over to LA, where he opened up one of his stores. The interior liner is a real soft, you know, very plush.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Definitely ain't mad at the Have a Nike Day patch on the inside. That color pink inside of the air bubble really sets this thing off. Bottom's not too shabby either. Drip forecast on these.
Oh, look, it's the owner of the Maid of the Mist. Let's have a talk with him, shall we? Come on in here.
Oh yeah, this is like Niagara Falls action right here. You could put together all kinds of crazy outfits with this, or you could just keep it calm. Me personally, yeah, these will be up, you know, and out on special occasions. I know you're supposed to wear them and make them fray, but not I, said the cat. As always, y'all, man, I am super grateful for everybody who stuck around, took a look at what we had to offer here. Everyone who became a friend of mine by liking videos, adding comments, the members of the Milestone Mafia who became a friend of ours. And as always, become a friend of mine by liking the video, also leaving a comment, not only just about the video and the sneaker, but if you hit any milestones since the last video, go ahead and put them in the comment section so we can big you up. Become a friend of mine by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know anytime the Milestone Mafia is back in the building. Y'all, I want you to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes. And as we continue to grow, I will continue to get better and better. You know my promise. By the time we get to 100,000, I will be known as the best to do it. In the meantime, we're just gonna continue to grow. You know, we hit 1,000 way faster than we thought we would. And who knows, we might be at 5,000 by the end of the year. You know, don't think small, think big, y'all. Sky's the minimum, you feel me? Other than that, see y'all in the next one. Peace. Now you know, especially on a goddamn Tardy, as we spin the block, we gotta take a better look at these just in case I ain't doing them justice in hand, right?